Now the new question is, what is linear charge distribution, and from that define linear charge density. Remember, it is not same question, it is different question. The new term is what? Linear charge density, which is denoted by lambda, and derive its formula, means it's a related formulas. First of all, as we know that when electric charge is uniformly distributed over a linear object or body, then it is called linear charge distribution, as we discussed in previous lecture. Now, the linear charge density, it is denoted by lambda for uniformly charged linear object. Remember, it is only for which kind of object? One dimensional object, linear object. For uniformly charged, and remember the charge is uniformly distributed. For uniformly charged linear object, the amount of electric charge per unit length, that is per unit length, which is the important part of this definition, per unit length is called linear charge density lambda. As we know that if any unit is known as unit length, like unit area, unit length, then that particular physical quantity goes to denominator. So if electric charge is uniformly distributed over a linear rod of a length L, and the charge which is uniformly distributed over it is Q, then according to definition, the amount of electric charge per unit length means Q by L, that is denoted by lambda. But remember, this formula is only valid when Q is uniformly distributed. Uniformly distributed, and then lambda is constant. But if charge is not uniformly distributed, then entire linear object is divided into a small segment of length dl and charge dq. Length dl and charge dq. For a small segment, charge is almost uniform because it is very small. That is a linear object, its entire length is L, and charge is not uniformly distributed. That's why we take a small segment, its length is dl and the charge over it is dq. As this small segment is very small and the charge is almost uniform, so for a small segment lambda can be given as dq by dl. Then dq is equals to lambda into dl. Now, to calculate the total charge over a linear object which having a length L, we divide the entire linear object into a small segment like dl1, dl2, and last one is what? dln. So to integrate, if we integrating the charges, then we can calculate the total electric charge over linear object. So after integration, total charge on a linear object can be written like that: integration L dq, and as dq is what? Lambda dl. So lambda dl, and integration L is known as linear integration. Which type of integration? Linear integration. That's it.